I'm on a not-for-profit board and help with fundraising. One of our loyal supporters is a health care related organization. In fact, they have supported us for several years with increasing engagement. When the virus struck, we hesitated to seek their support, thinking their funding would be strictly directed to health related missions. We waited. Actually, we sat on the proposal. Then finally, we shared with the supporter updates of our status, how our work is more important than ever to our community, and the value of their support. Their reply was quick. We were met with a positive response and invited to submit a proposal. What a relief! Absolutely. All of us are in new territory and not sure what is appropriate in asking for funds during this time of unprecedented and uncertain times. In my mind, this health related industry sponsor would not support us. Surely they were only supporting one area, healthcare. Clearly, I was deciding for them. That is not a good strategy. Fundraisers are not asking and are hesitating, like I was, to reach out to their most loyal supporters. Seemingly, nonprofit leaders are not seeking support from those who have given to their organization and believe deeply in their cause. Recognize if this is happening with you or at your organization. Hi there, I'm Nancy Reeves, your fundraising coach. I provide overwhelmed leaders of nonprofits with a roadmap to raise more money through major gifts. Before I continue, be sure to sign up here to catch these and other weekly fundraising tips and strategies. Don't be a roadblock in raising more money for your organization. Recognize if you are hesitating in asking for additional support. Let's get specific. There are 4 ways nonprofits are hurting themselves. Let's take a look. Number 1, many nonprofits are not asking for money. Today, right now, I want you to stop what you're doing and look at your list of top donors who have given over the past 3 to 5 years or longer. Who on that list has not given since the crisis or at their capacity? You have been practicing good stewardship and engaged your major donors. If you have not asked your top donors to support you as you struggle to meet needs and serve your audience, it's time. Donors want to hear from you. They want to be asked. Don't miss the opportunity to ask a donor to be a part of something bigger than themselves. Certainly, get comfortable asking for support over and beyond what's already provided. Not all individuals and businesses have been financially devastated by the virus crisis, and they don't know how to help unless you let them know. They will respect you for looking out for the organization and having it in your best interest. Let donors know your status. Ask for their support and let them know what their gift will do. Number 2 is not asking for a stretched gift. A few of the best words you can hear from a donor is, "That's a stretch," or "That's quite an increase." They may follow that response with, "But I will see what we can do." You want to ask your donors for an increase in giving. You are constantly growing your donors' engagement and giving to your organization. Consider the amount the donor has made in the past to your organization and also to other nonprofits. Without a doubt, your ask needs to be suitable for each donor. But at the same time, stretch the donor to give more. Ask, would you consider a gift of $5,000 to support our operational needs? It's an easy and gentle ask. If the donor comes back with a lower gift amount, that's okay. It's a win when you receive additional funds. Make a stretch ask and don't leave money on the table. Number 3, the third way nonprofits are hurting themselves is making a surprise ask. Consider emailing a top donor from your list and ask if they have time for a call. Let them know you want to talk with them about a gift or supporting you in a specific way. You don't want to surprise your donors with a phone call asking for their support. Donors need to have a heads up and time to think about making that additional gift. This is to your advantage. First and foremost, you don't want to catch donors off guard with an ask. Think about this. The worst that can happen is the donor says, "We are unable to make a gift right now, but when we can, we will. We fully support your efforts." Remember, you are not calling strangers asking for money. Number 4 and last, painting a picture of a sinking ship. Make sure your message is clear. You are not a sinking ship. No question, you are on top of it. You are making thoughtful decisions and taking measurable actions. In fact, you have applied for grants and received PPP funds, for example. In addition, your board is engaged and on top of matters. You are proud of how the board and staff have navigated this crisis. Your organization is monitoring income and expenses, adjusting the budget, and taking action. Above all, your goal is to survive and thrive. Messaging with your donors is upbeat. Nevertheless, you need help more than ever. Again, be transparent about your status. Let donors know what you are doing and how their funds will make a difference. In summary, many nonprofits are not asking for money right now. Recognize if you are being hesitant about seeking additional support, then shift your mindset and strategies. Most definitely, you should be asking your most loyal supporters for additional funding during this time. Donors are honored to hear from you and want to be a hero for the organization they love. They want nothing more than to advance the mission. You chose them to help. No doubt they will know you are a strong leader because you asked for their support. It's a compliment to be asked. You will not offend them. By the way, if you have not downloaded my free Major Gift Fundraising Plan template, it's a great resource. To do so, simply number 1, click here or go to fundraisingmaximize.com. 2, select Get Free Plan on the bright green button. And 3, download your free fundraising plan. Check it out. If you found this valuable, please like it, share it, comment, or tell others about it. Thanks. I look forward to seeing you next time.